Born into a middle-class family of traders, Kishore Biyani was always a bit of a rebel.
We had a gaddi system wherein everybody used to sit on the gaddi. But I bought chairs and got my table and I sat differently than the way they sat. Within the family system, I created my own products. I created a product made out of waste yarn and that became very, very popular. So after that, I created many products.
He launched a brand of trousers and he sold those trousers. Initially, he would just call some buyers home and they were displayed on the bed.
And that's how I thought of a brand called Pantaloons for a trouser because I thought there is a gap in that market. Then we started opening stores for Pantaloons.
But Kishore Biyani wasn't happy with just one successful brand.
We put up a sale at the Pantaloons in Gharyat. We had queues outside our store. The whole idea came in, why can't we create a modern streets market in a great environment, which is permanently on discount. That's how about the Big Bazaar concept came about. Then we thought of a departmental store, Central came about. Then the concept of brand factory came about. So most of the formats were very successful. It gives you a lot of overconfidence that you can do a lot. We diversified into gymming business, we got into salons, we opened an NBFC, we produced cinema. Maybe that was a mistake and then there was a downturn.
But Kishore Biyani was not so easily deterred.
I decided to exit multiple businesses and start life all over again, focusing in businesses which we can manage the entire value chain, which was food, fashion and home. We have reorganized ourselves to be a new organization, Future Group. We are probably among the top 10 in the world in terms of number of garments we sell.
Today, with a turnover of around 32,000 crore rupees and more than 2,200 stores across the country, the Future Group has its eyes set firmly on the road ahead.
Our big ambition is on the food side of business, wherein we are opening 10,000 small stores. And we are put in a FMCG company wherein we are putting nearly 40 factories. I believe the future is going to be how can we be a part of the food and FMCG business in the country.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kishore Biyani.